Stop.
Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster.
The elevator doors close. You stand with a coworker. You say nothing. It feels very long.
I hate that. I always sweat. My hands get cold.
Welcome to the English Corner. This is your safe place. We learn simple English here.
Simple is good. Big words make me dizzy.
We will use everyday words. Words you can use now.
I want to speak today.
You will speak today. We will break the silence. We will make it fun. Today, you'll walk away with 3 magic phrases. Ready? Let's preview. Phrase 1. How's it going? It means hello.
How's it going? So I just ask this?
Yes. Phrase 2. By the way. It changes the topic.
By the way, I use it for new things.
Exactly. Phrase 3. Catch you later. It means goodbye.
Catch you later. I say this and leave.
Right. Use them tomorrow, and your conversations will flow. Let us look at Leo. It is Monday morning. Leo is in the elevator. A new girl walks in.
Oh, hi. You go to work?
Oh no, Leo. That just made it worse.
Where are you from?
Leo, she works here. She is from this city.
Oh, sorry. She very busy. I want to be nice.
You need good phrases. Your English is not bad, but you use the wrong words.
I feel so bad. I have 25 years old.
Leo, stop. We say, I am 25.
I very like her.
We say, I really like her.
I just want to talk. She looked away. She wanted to escape.
That is very sad. But it happens to everyone.
It happens to me every day. I am the king of awkward.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry. We've got the fix. All right, Leo. Time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes. Scene 1. The office elevator. You see your friend Mark. Say hello to him.
Hello, Mark. Are you good?
That is okay, but try our first phrase. Say, how's it going?
Oh, like, hey, Mark, how's it going?
Perfect. It is very natural. Mark will say, good.
Got it. So I just say that. I do not ask about his work.
Right. Keep it simple. Let us try again. I am Mark. You walk in.
Morning, Mark. How's it going?
Hey, Leo. It is going well. And you?
I am good.
See? It is very easy. You broke the ice.
I like this phrase. It is short. It is friendly.
You can use it every day. You can use it with anyone.
Can I use it with my boss?
Yes, you can. It is polite enough.
I will use it tomorrow. I will ask the security guard.
That is a great idea. Practice makes perfect. But wait, the next one is even trickier. Scene 2. The coffee shop downstairs. You wait for your coffee. You see a coworker. You want to ask about a meeting.
Hey, we have a meeting?
No, Leo, that is too fast. Use by the way.
So you mean, by the way, we have a meeting?
Better. By the way, is the meeting today?
By the way, is the meeting today?
Yes. By the way is a bridge. It connects two different things.
I have a story. I was in the elevator. I talked to my boss.
What did you say?
We talked about the rain. Then I asked about my money. I wanted more money.
Oh no. How did you ask?
I said, "Rain is bad. Give me more money."
That is terrible.
He looked very angry. He did not speak. I ran away.
You needed our phrase. You can say, "The rain is bad. By the way, can we talk later?"
Oh, like, by the way, can we talk?
Yes, it is much softer. It is polite.
I will use it next time.
Good. You can use it to change topics. Now imagine this. What would you say? Scene 3. The elevator stops. The doors open. You need to leave.
Goodbye, Mark. I go now.
That is a bit cold. Use our third phrase. Catch you later.
Got it. So, catch you later, Mark.
Exactly. Catch you later is very friendly. It means see you soon.
Can I say it to my boss?
Yes, you can. It is casual, but it is okay for the office.
Let us practice. I am leaving the elevator. Catch you later, Tina.
Catch you later, Leo. Have a good day.
This is fun. I am not nervous now.
You have the tools. You can survive the elevator.
What if I do not see them later?
That is okay. Catch you later just means goodbye. You do not need a real plan.
Oh, I see. It is just a friendly sound.
Yes, it leaves a good feeling. Everyone will like you. Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right. It is Monday morning. Leo is in the elevator. The new girl walks in.
Morning. How's it going?
Hey! It is going well. I am just tired.
Me too. By the way, I am Leo.
Nice to meet you. I am Sarah. Oh, this is my floor.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Catch you later.
Bye. Wow, Leo, that was perfect.
I feel like a pro. No more awkward silence. I can talk to anyone now.
Let us review our 3 phrases. I will say the meaning. You say the phrase.
I am ready.
Phrase 1. A friendly hello.
How's it going?
Yes. Give me a sentence.
Hey, Mark. How's it going?
Phrase 2. Change the topic.
By the way.
Yes. Give me a sentence.
By the way, what is for lunch?
Phrase 3. A friendly goodbye.
Catch you later.
Yes. Give me a sentence.
I must go. Catch you later.
Great job, Leo. You get an A+ today.
I am the best student. I love English now.
I am glad to hear that. Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one. Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. You won't want to miss it. Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Catch you later.